Nice, guys. So this is our finished product here. This is our strawberry infused red wine reduction. Remember I told you I have a special guest on the show. And it's none other than our soca artist, Lil Bits, and Seon Isaacs, your husband.
Yes.
How you doing, brother?
Cool.
Pleasure to meet you again.
You too, man.
Yeah, man. So, tell me something. This carnival is a little different,
Right.
but this show is we focusing on Valentine's.
Yes.
But tell me, what are you doing for the carnival? I know you have a new song.
Right.
How is that picking up? How is that going?
I'm trying to enjoy quote-unquote carnival as best as I can. But we know the situation, so we can't really frolic and really enjoy ourselves as we would like to.
So sad.
The music is important. So I made sure I produce music throughout the year. I'm going to be producing music throughout the year.
Keep up with that. Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Currently, we have Mean Business,
Mean
which
Business.
is out. It was written by Mikkel Teja and also produced by him as well. He's
Mikkel,
also,
okay.
yes.
Mikkel doing things, right?
Yes,
right.
doing great things
Yes,
right now.
yes.
He's also System 32. And it was mixed and mastered by Kit Israel and co-produced by Kit and also Gideon Bishop. So big them up.
How long released as yet? Yes?
Yes, it
Or
really is
release-
already, so you can go check it out. Right now we're doing all the marketing, all the promotion for it and that kind of thing.
There's a video for it as yet? Soon? Okay.
Soon.
Looking forward to
we're
that.
actually trying to decide if we're going to do a video for that song, if we're going to do a video for another song. As I said, we have like a couple of projects that we're going to be doing right through the year because we don't really have a carnival season to pursue,
Right.
so to speak. It's just important to bring out music right through the year.
Awesome.
I'll be doing different things though, different visuals.
I remember
and
last year you
things.
did like a video documentary.
Yes, Talawa.
Right. That went really good. I enjoyed it.
Thank you very much.
So besides the song, are you gonna do anything similar to that, or kind of it's a different
Well, right now
landscape?
I'm in the process of writing Talawa 2.
Right.
Now, the thing about this is I don't know if Talawa 2 will come out this year because I'm really taking my time with that project. And it has to be special for me. I don't want to just rush and do something. Talawa is very personal.
Nice.
And because the first one was so successful, it's just so important that the second one is even better.
I agree
know
to
what
that.
I mean? So
Yes.
I'm in the process of writing the
I
script
agree
and
to
all of that and putting together some ideas. So far, what I've pitched to my husband and to my team, they really love it.
All right.
So that is a work in progress right now.
Good things.
Yes.
Right. So we're looking forward. So tell me, we're in a Valentine's capacity, and
Yes, we are.
I believe you guys, since we spoke last time, you guys make some drinks at home sometimes.
I did.
Yes. Right.
I
Right.
attempted that.
Right.
So,
How that work out?
well, both of us still here. Yeah.
Right. That is good. That is good.
This version of mixing drinks, by the way, is probably like a rum and coke or vodka and cranberry. If that's what you
Yeah,
want to
a
call
manly
mixing
drink.
drinks.
Hey,
Yeah.
mix is mix.
Mix is mix. Bro, so you're on the show now, and I'm gonna show you for the Valentine's season how to sex it up a little bit, right? So tell me something. How you guys met? You remember that?
It's funny that you said that
Yeah.
because he has his own version and I have my version.
Right.
I think he was stalking me since 2005. He said I was stalking him, right?
Right, being 2020. Okay, I'll check in, right?
So what weirdly happened, let me see if I can make a very long story short, but in 2005, after Soca Monarch, after performing, we took a picture backstage, but I didn't know who he was at the time. I just thought, like a fan.
Right.
You take a picture.
One of the fans.
He's a fan, you know what I mean?
One of the groupies, yeah.
And fast forward to 2010, I was on the Honey Rhythm with Benjai. He had Wine to the Side and I had Sweetness. And he was managing Benjai at the time.
Okay.
So he started doing bookings and stuff for me. And he always used to message me because at that time we had BBM. So every time you update your BBM status.
Bing, 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 yeah,
right.
yeah.
I would say, I'm feeling hungry, boy. He would say, you see, actually, I'm going to take you for breakfast. I'm going to take you for lunch.
Nice.
And he just used to harass me all the time.
Right.
And just when he was undoing. But eventually, because he was pursuing all the time.
Right.
I think I messaged him when he was in Tobago. I said, I kind of miss him, yeah.
Wow. All the harassing and
Yes, perseverance feels clearly.
Yeah.
So, and pretty much we started dating from there.
So I'm interested now. So your story is different. Yeah, totally different. Ah, boy.
Totally.
Yes. So let me hear your story. Yeah.
But yes, it started 2010. The actual truth was we connected by 96.
Right.
Right? We both ended up there for an interview. We exchanged numbers, and again, at the time, a lot of the business that was happening, she was also being requested by people.
Right.
And they kind of went through me in order to create. So it went from business to what it eventually turned into. And that portion of her saying that I was persistent and so on, it actually was reversed, but we can't really say that until.
Right. You know, me and my wife, we have the same argument or same concept.
The end result is that after a while, you just can't have a calling and messaging like that. So one day I really decided that, hey, let me hang out, let me check it out. And then since that day, we're here today.
Happy to hear that. I always like to hear stories.
And that's the
truth. All right. I think if it was reversed and my wife and I was there, it would have been the same thing. She would have said I was the one pursuing her or tracking her, and I say the very opposite, right?
Yeah, but you don't share the brain.
Yes. Bro, well, I'm gonna show you how to make some nice, sexy cocktails, right? So we're improving the game. I have here some beautiful glasses, and it's actually, I'm gonna be featuring you guys. I don't know if you know it. It's Beefeater pink gin, and this one is strawberry infused.
Okay, so this is the first time I'm seeing this,
but
I'm really excited. I love the bottle.
Yes.
Pink strawberries. I love strawberries, so go ahead.
It's amazing. Gin is botanical,
right?
And the juniper berries and the strawberries go well together.
So why Beefeater? Is that beef in it?
No, it's just a classic name, old school, and it's from London. So London, they do things differently across there. So if you look at the glass, I have a little paint, what we call it, and it has flowers on it.
That deco is for me?
Yeah. No, for both of you. I'm gonna show you how to do it. What we're doing is we're taking some reduced sugar and we just pasting it on the glass like that. And from there is the fun part. I have some flowers here, some petals, and we just put in the petals on it. Yeah?
Okay, nice.
So I kind of pick some pink and purple flowers to go with this, because the pink kind of nice with the gin,
Right. So pretty much the sugar acts like the glue.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
I could do that now.
Yeah. There's a nice little technique. You could try it at home.
Easy.
Sexy it up. Is a nice different kind of presentation.
I wouldn't do mine in suit though.
You wouldn't do it in suit.
No.
They'll do it in a short pants.
Birthday suit.
Birthday suit. All right. These are birthday drinks. Valentine's birthday. Right? So we have some there. Nice. And mind you, you could make this paint out of a flavor. So you could actually, instead of just regular sugar and water, and you make a reduction, you could add anything to it. You could actually throw some strawberries into it and make it even further.
Okay.
Yeah?
Very nice.
We're gonna start by adding my favorite gin right now. It's very fragrant.
Yeah, I'm smelling it from all here.
Yeah, have a smell.
No, I'm like...
You literally smelling it, yeah.
Oh my god. I could drink this straight.
You could drink it straight.
Okay,
it's delicious. Yeah.
Okay, I'll behave. Come on, just... Yeah.
Nice.
Yes.
So I'm gonna add some ice to this. Ice is always important, but this is a big glass, so we have to use a lot. We going back, right? Yeah? So we get our glass filled with ice, just about 3/4. And behind that, I'm gonna add some raspberry liqueur, just 2 dashes, keeping in line with that berry flavor.
Okay.
And here we have our red wine reduction, but it's strawberry infused, which pairs well with the strawberries here, right? I'm gonna add 1/2 ounce of this. We're gonna drizzle that over the ice. Anytime you have a spirit, and to make a well-balanced cocktail,
Right.
you always use flavors that complement the spirit. You know, it makes sense, yeah?
Makes sense.
Okay.
Cool?
Works well with the taste buds, right?
Yes. And we have some double Dutch skinny tonic, they're calling it, but I love to use it. It's,
Skinny tonic.
yeah,
Is that like a club soda?
it's actually tonic water.
Tonic water.
Yeah,
okay.
so it's good on it's good in terms of on the hips, you know, less sugar, but it's very flavorful as well. Nice. And I'm gonna do some thin slices of strawberries, which is actually gonna infuse as well into the cocktail.
If I'm taking notes, well, you should be taking notes as well.
Yes. Don't worry, I can write the recipe.
We could probably just do it together.
Yes, and it will be on copperjoecaribbean.com. All the drinks will be there. So, how that coming along so far?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Very nice.
So there's one of those drinks, easy to make, you know. You want to treat your special companion to something special, something you both could enjoy. So you can put as much strawberries as you like. And the fresh strawberries are actually gonna infuse into the drink as well.
You know what I noticed that the thing, this mixture here stayed to the
It stayed to the bottom.
To the bottom,
yes.
yeah.
Because it's heavier in terms of density.
Okay.
And to solve that, we're gonna hit it a little stir and incorporate the flavor and the color as well
Yeah.
into the drink. Nice. So, what we calling this one?
I don't know.
I mean business.
A mean business.
I mean business. Guys, cheers.
Happy Valentine's Day, babe.
Same to you, my dear.
I love.
Tell me what you think, brother.
I think I could try this.
You could try that? Yeah. I think you could get away with that.
I think, yeah.
Right?
This could end up.
Yeah.
I could end up doing some mean business with this one.
Some mean business.
Yes, I like it.
I mean, that's what we're
We
talking
mean
about.
by that. We mean by that.
On the next episode, we will tell
On the next episode. Guys, so you getting the gin in it though? Because I
Yeah,
love
I'm
this
tasting
gin.
the in it, yeah.
And actually, gin is something more botanical other than your neutral rums and your neutral vodkas. Botanical meaning it's full of herbs, roots, and spices. But I just want to emphasize this one is a more sexy type of gin with the
Right.
strawberry and the look.
I'm actually able to taste majority of the ingredients that you discuss here today. So usually with different drinks, you don't get everything that is being sold to you.
Right.
In this particular concoction, you're actually able to taste everything.
What you want is a balanced cocktail.
Right.
So in mixology, you have something sweet, you have something sour, you have something strong, you have something weak.
Right.
And guys, enjoy.
Mean business.
We mean business.
Mean business, babe. It is. Things like.
Ah boy, love is lovely.